In today's hyper-connected world, the digital landscape is ever-evolving. Businesses are constantly striving to stand out amidst the noise, to reach their target audience effectively, and to grow their brand presence. That's where we come in. At TheRank, we offer more than just digital marketing services. We provide end-to-end solutions tailored to your unique needs, guiding you through every step of your digital journey. From optimizing your website to increase visibility on search engines, to crafting compelling content that resonates with your audience, we're here to help you navigate the complexities of digital marketing. But what sets us apart, it's not just about what we do, but how we do it. At TheRank, we believe in going the extra mile. We don't just offer services. We build relationships, understanding your goals and challenges to deliver results that exceed expectations. With a legacy of success in growing our own business, we understand firsthand the challenges you face. That's why we're passionate about empowering businesses like yours to thrive in the digital age. Ready to take your business to the next level? Partner with TheRank.co and let's embark on a digital journey together. Contact us today to get started.